at the Collin County Junior Livestock Show. At this event, we have students that are showing cattle, lambs, goats, pigs, ag-mech projects, horticulture projects, as well as some of our small animals, which would be like chickens and rabbits.
Events like this, it's interesting because at the barn, we're all separate. You know, you're responsible for your own animal, but here, everyone comes together, we're a team.
One thing I think people would be surprised about hearing is that it's not only just washing and rinsing and practicing. You have to be very responsible for your own cattle. You have to be helpful and kind to do it.
I've been going to shows like this whole year. My favorite part is just meeting new people who have the same interests as me, and also learning more about different species of animals, which I think will help me in my major in college.
What I like about working with my pig, his name is Mac, is that he's essentially like having another dog. So this is a fun thing that I really enjoy.
So I'm actually doing 2 projects with floral. I did a easel spray arrangement that is angel wings, and then I also did a wearable armature floral design arrangement. I've never in a million years thought I would be doing something like this, but I've genuinely gotten so much amazing life experience.
Putting in 20 to 30 hour work weeks on top of spending 5+ hours at the barn every day on top of school is just crazy. And I don't think I'd be able to do it if I didn't have the people in FFA to kind of help guide me. It's just an amazing program, and it's truly changed my life for the better.